Video inspection of the Trak K3 2-axis knee mill. I'm going to show some manual operations.
Spindle on, high speed. There's low speed. And we got tool in and out. R8 collet. Okay. And power Z feed. That's up. Down. And we've got axes. Change direction. Change axes.
Good.
And then we got a program. Push to beginning. And program beginning. Run. Start. And go. And here we would start the spindle.
Program is moving in a circular pattern.
Shut this off. Get the noise down. It's doing small increments. And then the X and Y are moving in a circle path.
All right.
We've got the feed hold. And we start it up again.
Cool. And that concludes the video inspection of the Trak K3.